was nervous about. Woo! All right. Who do we have here?
Nikki, Cassidy.
And we're jumping out of airplanes today?
Yeah.
Why would we do that?
For fun. It's a normal Sunday.
Perfectly normal Sunday. Whose idea was this?
Both, I guess.
Both of you, so you're both to blame?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, we're gonna go up really high, come down really fast. Sound like a plan?
Yes.
Anything you want to say to anybody that would watch this video?
We're badass.
That's right.
Yeah.
Love you, Mom. All right, let's go have some fun, guys. Right on.
Oh yeah, ladies, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's get in, get up, get out of this airplane, go have some fun in the sky. Woo! High five. Oh yeah.
Bring it back. Here we go.
Here we go, ladies. Think of this, huh?
It's so cool.
About to get better. Pull the right one down. Look at the camera. Smile. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Hands up. Pull the left one hard. Oh yeah, all the way down. Smile. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Hands up. Relax. How you feeling?
Great.
Just one more left. A little bit. Hands up. Good. How you doing?
Great.
You did awesome.
My ears keep popping.
Stand up. Welcome back. All right, what do you think?
That was so fun.
You gonna do that again someday?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Next time you come out, I'll let you open the parachute. You just gotta pull the golf ball out. For real.
Okay.
What was your favorite part?
Spinning.
Skydive Colorado Springs. This could be you.
Yeah.
Woo!